nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagiti showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho teberie kende gensi uraganie bagoteberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase ou MRM showroom onyareka bogo kwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Chinsa Ikomi cheri tukore Jumatatu mutenyino yokane mwakano yuwechiri bubere 2025 mwanche mureri gane iri tukore gatano na kabere kine Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenye nchengatire ni Nyaboga wisoni makori kuraso umuntu aho bimanyiriro magechi kamera Wilfred Matondo nabo yigo Kevin Ongeri naragongonya kwereke buna chibichechiga na Mario Gingo ikashire asenchira yobwekana nukaransoke obena into weka omweyo Natoko cha kanigo mugavana omukoro we county ya Kisii James Maribongwae esokire na gutuma engora yaye anene muno goche ase chi family isano ekyo cyabete kigosiria abamwe abogose abamate babo ritukore igoro gwetera umubasokano umube abwase nyomba yegoroba yabete kwanyoka asense moya itierio ewodi ya Bumorenda ibungeri ya Bonchari county ya Kisii na kuganiria bari babete bakomya ase umubasokano uyo okobwena kwa bwango chinga kichekyo ni gumuskongwaya aimukire getambukiro nako ichanira engana abu ase umuriki osoyo rengo muriki ase ekiombe kyabanya contractor gose abanyakonda Chinsa kuri county ya Kisii ofumani ondieki anyarite kobaka gosiria obugima bwaye gwetera omubasukano okwara ensemo ya kerina obotuko bwogokira rero ase bono aganeirie abairi abasani eamate ne family amaya anene mono chingaki echiga chiobokendo.
Abagusiba minto mwensi ase mwabita nche n'omugabana ino omukoro Kisii County James Ongwae. Rituko lya rero ninde n'amayenda amange mono sana asa yabete ensemo ya itieli obumurenda ward ime ya Bonchari constituency. Ase amate yaba minto sita banyarete gosiria obuguma bwabo kubwatekana n'omubasokano bw'enyomba oyobete gagwo itielio gakipole sana naende sana. Tiga Nyasaye abale michinga kieki kyobokendu obonene. Na bali bonsi baumiete ase omubasekano oyo pole naende pole otokobasabera mugwene bwangu. Boigo nogoichana okonene sana ase ogosiria ko omosani one ofumani ondieki omwana ominto twakora nere egasi amatuka amange kero narenga omugabana Kisii County. Nyagosiria mosani one ofumani osiretio obuguma bwaye ase road accidents nsemo chia kerina along Kisii Migori Road niga arenga omosecretary general Kisii Contractors Association naende twakora nere emiaka goetani emiaka yena abete Ikomi bosongo no arenge na contractors twakora nere gasi. Ase amate ya Hoffman abana baye na mwaye abantu baito bonsi batabaka ward na South Mugirango yonsi esiaye kapole sana tiga Nyasaye abaremi. Ase Kisii Contractors Association ase Hoffman arengo mo secretary general na inwe boigo pole sana mwasirio yomino was advoted team leader. Ekiagera nero rengo moneno ino nero renge secretary general ya ino nero rego cha obisi yane ongakere riogi ekeraro chenga bindo mbiri ko mbigendere TV ya ese county. Na mangana amange mwenyorete chi meeting tuya gutwara na ino nero reko bakwanira. Musani one Osman esabari ye gwachire ne yeito twensi buna mwanya bantu ogende na Nyasaye. Pole sana naende pole.
Mwancho murigeria oino moske James Elvis Omariba Ongwaye ogokwana negitase nikia Getembe wetera esimi ase boigo aganeri chiamatecho na boigo ya family ya Hoffman ama ya chinga kichiga bare no bokendu obonge na togoska mose botweni go mwana siasa asireta Jona onkendi ondieke akore bungeri ya Bonchari county ya Kisii nere atumire amagombaye gochase chi family chisano chasireti abamwabo abo igoro ensemo ya itiro ase goro be yabete kwanyoka na kubagwera kuika facility amagimabo ase bono amochire kiombekeri kitenene tobwagachi kia National Construction Authority asa tebreti kiombeketi keri koimuke getambukero na kurigereria egati chinyomba chiri chikwagacha na boigo gutaguria abantu chinyomba bali bakwagacha ase birengo biria gose chinchira chiri chiganeire na serikali
nkoira libageriga gotoma amayiya ndane n'amagombo ase eamate ya bali batano basiritie amagimabo ase mubasokana boko kwenyomba yale kwagachwa gaitielio Bonchari ngoteba pole sana. Ya kabere ndeta kogosia mono ekiombe kliko kwa National Construction Authority na county obisikulo kwa inspectorate ose county ya mangana planning department ase okorara na kutaligiria amagacho ngakia kwagacho sukubatera machiko egento muna kiri nyumbale kwagacho ngencheria ere ententeru yagreta abantu baito bakakwengencheria njabwe ntegosuka onye abantu be county mbai uleta maiso abakakole gasi yabo onye bakagosangiria mahaki ntomanyeti egekogereke gokora ngenjibune ekegeko kinga abantu le bakora asio bisi chiamangana inspectorate mbali gokora gasi yabo ekigego cha magega yekisa twarwaga ali mwembe aso mwana we university oswe college awe choime echo asebamenyete yarenge was etaliko ni inspected enyombe yesekwe mwana yasirubo bwaye abuna nyuma utwanyora ngamo omo subati olenge ko binole ko chikonyora omwana olenge molito na era asiria obugima bwaye ase atabwatekani kubuya n'abanyagitari ekigekoroki negligence kurase ensemo y'obweteneri ase county ngosaba omugabana oito Simbarati koranje abantu abaraboro gose babare abantu abakurumi barusia ase emeremo tenera kabisa korera egasi abantu rinde abantu barore egasi okora kwengia turinde amagima y'abantu baito kuno kwosaba kwana igo pole sana ase abanchari baminto lwasitie magima ido gali noto nainwa ase ngakiyo bokong mpaka mwakole mangana ya ono
na tugutigana nayo togende ase county ya Nyamira abwa soborendi nabo igo chi patrol chia botuko chia borigwe kwenekigwa bunenchera yemo se kwenekigwa chinsemo imeye county ya Nyamira bunenchera yemo yo gukora ebikoro byo bosaria nabo igo koreta oborendi ase county yo ya Nyamira gukwana na Getembe nigo abamenyi bekinyoro kia gesore kegotoka eward ya township ebunge ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira besokire na gukure gekore ase obotuko bugukira rero omwalimu yomo ase dieta George Batasi anyara gocherero n'ababebu gose ebibago na kumuita gose koma Kenya wika gosiria obugima bwaye ase bono efamilia nabo igekenyoro yesoke na kubori omugavana bwe county ya Kisii kobakonya kubabekera chitaya cha botuko ichira bakonya kumureka buchinsa cha botuko kurwa epara yakonate gwikira ase para egwika omocho Nyamira gose town ya Nyamira
para ire gaki achingo chabuga utikosoka gaki dar komanya tasoka gaki okita kwani tata bankigo sakire ndgamo bwati utikosoka namore kweta ochi murangoro korona ira nairo yo matri ngonya rare insiga gaki akenyin ntiro naso kuraliyo gaki
ngakire simichane ngechinsa chabu tuko sasta onteita abaibabo byachine byabyitire tatu mirura kintu amunyokiri genero ana na tukubona mama na kestori yani ngonte inati mantabu bacha babu gichingo ko tatu soka gochikurigeri chingoko tatu irege ka gocha kurigeri irege ka kuira na mamu chikuri ochikwendonye umurango gwaturu goru gwatusie kumuru kunetochi ochikwiburo murango mato gwatonyora no bamokenyere bamutugutire nsabu
etwa ichanire omwalimu konyenyu mune ng'ombe amangana security account yeito airanire nsepi squeeze saa moja ekonyore isiko aboko rukende gionsi serikali ya Nyamira monoto irane ase mangana ya baskali patrol teyo bagwa Nyamira no police station isiko naboko nyenywa bale ime serikali yanene tokonya.
The problem with our security team again to bago chabakora abasalina bako botonire baigorero kabere akere gento buneke kiabere buna bono iga nabura araba skali yori chi patrol chi koba akero kiabere bwangu amatuka ko erabere ne twanyo twere ne to normal life ne ndabasali bali bakora bairana so omangana yo security
na tugutigana nayo nigo abagambi batano abo babete bagochererwa ase county area ya Mandera orogongo ensemo ya North Eastern anababibwa ba Al-Shabaab anena ausigwe egeka kimiti nyebere yaerere babete bakobwatuko mu waziri boborendi boime moske Kipchumba Murkomen niga ya kwana yayiga ime county ya Mombasa asatebira abagambi abo nigo barachigocha chinga cyabo na kwenekere abantu buna nigo bari buya na nimba chigocha ayiga Kenya kuumirana n'iki amate cyabo.
We have very good news that our chiefs that were abducted in Mandera have been released and they are now in the hands of Kenyan officials and they will be arriving home anytime soon. This is very good news based on collaborative efforts, as I announced before, that as a government we decided to work together with the community and to work with the county government of Mandera and the local community, and this process has borne fruit. We will be commenting further in the near future, once our chiefs are within the country, and we'll give you even more updates on the progress and what we are doing. The thing that many Kenyans need to know is that our country is safe because there are men and women who are making great sacrifices. The fact that we don't discuss threats of terrorism and Al-Shabaab and so forth every day does not mean that our country is not facing constant threat from these elements. It means, the real meaning is that the men and women who have gone out there working in the field, especially along our borders, are doing a fantastic job to protect the rest of us. We don't speak about this every day, but it just needs to be known by all Kenyans that we are safe because our police officers, our NPR, our chiefs, our assistant chiefs, and many citizens in the community who are cooperating with the security sector.
Kampani ya Kenya Pipeline gose KPC nigo yachakia omorobere o inua scholarship oyora chigo konya aboro kiwa balibare chi skuru chi secondary chi oboroso na boyo chi university minsi ya Kenya amnene mono balibamiete no borema moyigo yo nigo okorekana ensemo ya Kasarani county ya Nairobi asumu waziri wechisemi Moske Julius Migosi Ogamba na boyigo morike botamba se wizara yechinguru chi omorero Moskopia Wandai barenge gati abagene balibekirana ase omoye
in our nation's journey towards inclusive and equitable education for all our children, especially those with disabilities. I commend the KPC Foundation for its commitment to empowering people with disabilities through education. Through the Inuka Scholarship Program, the Foundation has demonstrated that when we invest in education and skills development of marginalized groups, we unlock their potential and pave the way for them to live meaningful, productive lives of dignity. Provision of scholarships is the best way to ensure that needy and vulnerable children in our society access education and is in line with the Ministry of Education's mantra of leave no one behind. Over the years, the government of Kenya, working jointly with development partners, has been implementing the Elimu Scholarship Program, which has seen more than 52,000 students from needy and vulnerable backgrounds access education. But that is not enough. There is need to have many more programs like the Inuka Foundation program to cover the rest of the students because the numbers are very, very large.
And embedding inclusivity in all aspects of public affairs management. So, ladies and gentlemen, as the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, we recognize that education is the greatest equalizer. That has been said many times. It is indeed the bridge that connects aspiration to achievement, regardless of one's circumstances at birth. The Inuka scholars before us today represent Kenya's future innovators and problem solvers. To develop their potential, we must provide an enabling learning environment through inclusive quality education.
Na togo chigokorera kurwa sensemeri ye sekta yobochenu wizara yobochenu insi yomuwaziri omoske adendware nigobono yarosire kamati iyo irachikorigereria rideni riria ekiombekere kia NHIF kegodai ewizara yo ase kiombekere goteba nigo ewizara yobochenu ebwate rideni riabo rietaneti chishiringi milioni 10.
As we embark on this assignment on us years, we need to take note of the stock of debt before us. We are aware of the desire to scrutinize, examine every bill to ensure that we recommend what is quality and what is payable. We take note of the task as being sensitive. Sensitive in that there is a lot of interest. The work is time sensitive, and the public expect quality from us. And therefore, as we move into the task, we need to take account of that aspect of sensitivity.
Some of the areas the committee should focus on include, but not limited to, cases where, number one, facilities reportedly offered services without valid contracts or outside the scope of their contract. 2, facilities that offered services beyond the hospital level and capacity. 3, doctors claiming against services outside their areas of specialization. 4. Exaggerated invoices and billings that are beyond the applicable tariffs. 5. Reported cases of manipulation of member records and their dependents. 6. Unwarranted admission, prolonged stay in the hospitals. Committee has been established to provide an
Narayo kuremya se Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ritukeri gasenchira yo wenge Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyeche botuko bwarera mukati Enoch na chokore terayo mona yenda mange asenchira yo bwikira no nchengatire ne Nyaboga Wilson wakori kuraso mona boy manyere Kevin Ongere na kendre takone kyabuna chibicha na Mario Gingo kachire asenchira ire yo bwikira no genda gutwara burige burobye asimiro buri ya Getembe TV ko gwata tumura ne ritukore angi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolimbire mu ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukwania gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwe kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya complex niyo muchugo busongo iyo irangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakeresi migwetrase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yego tumika chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire au nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amaryogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando yichinguru cyabagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
inche no munyagitari clinic maubanye omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega yugo muchito bosongo nainde ni gonta getoko bari gani mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo va services chekerero tugotumia ububwenia bwekerero e technology yo kurigererio mugero omugima nainde twarigereri ngambi mo kibiri byasero gutwara umucanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yaitu nigo tunyarusitia ase chinse cheisiko ao nande nigare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse buna bono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande nigo tukurusia sense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura sense ya Spain na ayande nigo tukurusia sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga ande nare tukurusia somo chio India na ayande nigo tukunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia